if you have doubts, then I would advise you not to bring it. And now it's time to talk about what you cannot bring in your carry-on. I have a few things for you to keep in mind that you just don't want to take in your carry-on luggage, and some of them you shouldn't even bring at all. Don't put it in your checked luggage either. Hi, this is Kat, and I want to talk to you today about things that are prohibited by TSA in your carry-on luggage and possibly in your checked luggage too. Let's start by talking about sharp objects. Scissors with blades longer than 4 inches. Things like knives, box cutters, razor blades. These are sharp, long blades. You cannot bring them with you onto the plane. Those must be put in your checked luggage. And you want to make sure that you pack them carefully and safely. Tools such as wrenches, screwdrivers, things of the like, they are best in your checked luggage. Now, on the website, you'll see TSA says that if it is 7 inches or shorter, that you could bring it with you in your carry-on luggage. The thing is, it's at the TSA officer's discretion. Sporting equipment. Think about things like hockey sticks, baseball bats, golf clubs. Those need to go in your checked luggage. If you want them to be specially handled, take care of that with the airlines before you get to TSA security. Weapons and self-defense items. Realistic replicas of weapons. Things like firearms, no go. You cannot bring those on the plane. So make sure that you find out if you can bring them at all. They may be completely prohibited, so check that out on the TSA website as well as with your airline. Flammable items, lighter fluid, things like that, no. You cannot bring that onto the plane. Now, I'm not talking about a Bic lighter, the little plastic ones. Those are allowed on the plane, but if it is fancier, it has a lithium battery and those sorts of things, definitely check before you bring it, because what you might think is going to be okay might in fact be taken by a TSA officer. Explosives and fireworks, no. So please, if you have doubts, then I would advise you not to bring it. As always, I encourage you to go directly to the TSA website as well as go to your airline to ensure that you have done everything that you need to do to take whatever item that you really want to take with you. But I'm letting you know that these are the most commonly prohibited items or items that might give you trouble when you go through TSA security at the next airport for your flight. If you do bring something that you can't bring in your carry-on luggage, but you are allowed to bring in your checked luggage, make sure that you leave extra time in case there is additional screening that is required. I want you to be able to pack well and pack smartly before you travel. This will help you save a lot of time and headache. There's no way to give you a full list of everything that might be prohibited in your carry-on luggage, so I encourage you to go to the TSA.gov website to see for yourself and make sure that you are ready to go. So don't take no chances. Do your research now. Give yourself extra time so that way you don't miss your flight. And let me know, are there any things that you have encountered on your trips that were prohibited in your carry-on luggage, or any interesting situations that you've had with prohibited items? I hope that's not the case, but I would love to hear